Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're realizing some selling pressure today. 10-year note futures lower for a second session, and today's price action has the futures market moving back towards that 111 handle, 111.06 currently. Now, a couple of days ago, we did see an intraday high over the 112 handle, which was the highest level in a month, before some selling pressure has initiated here the last couple of days, and we're seeing some further selling pressure moving us back down towards basically a one-week low here at this just above the 111 handle, as the markets are reacting to the CPI data this morning. US CPI coming out a little hotter than anticipated, particularly on the core number, a tenth of a point higher than what the expectations were, and maintaining an elevated state, really, when you look at CPI here, still holding well above 3% on a year-over-year basis. And that's causing a little bit of pause as far as how the Fed is going to interpret that moving forward. And so we're seeing some selling pressure as a result of that data point. We'll have more inflation data points throughout this week, PPI being the next one to come, and I think that's on Thursday. But even though we're still seeing a resetting of expectations, now the probability is still pretty high that the market is expecting a June rate cut. But again, at least from the shorter end of the curve, we are seeing that being taken out slightly here today. When you look at the yields moving higher, pretty much across the entire yield curve. 10-year note, we're looking at yields up about 5.5 basis points today to 416 basis points. And again, the yield curve moving higher. Where you're seeing the most pronounced selling pressure is in the 2s, the 3s, and the 5s, where they're seeing the yield moving up anywhere from 6 to 7 basis points. So again, selling pressure. 10-year note futures realizing some selling pressure today on the heels of the CPI data, trading down to one-week lows, but still holding that 111 handle.